Hello internet. I just got my Beaute New York hair removal spray and inhibitor set that I've been seeing all over Instagram and Facebook ads. They just released bigger bottles, so I figured I was gonna do it before they had smaller bottles, and it's kind of a high price tag, but they like quadrupled the size and the price didn't change terribly much, so I went ahead and got them. I'm gonna go ahead and do it on my arm today. I'll take some pictures for some before and afters to show you how it works, but from what I understand is there is a active ingredient that breaks down proteins like keratin and stuff, so once it sits there for a while, it makes it weak enough that you can just like wipe against the growth with a cloth, and the hair just breaks right away, and then you apply the inhibitor spray. And again, from my understanding, over a few weeks using this, applying it after hair removal, eventually it like starts to thin the hair out and stop it from growing back. But you have to keep using it to keep the hair from growing back. But a lot of people say it's really helped in that exact description, but then also some people use it on like their face and stuff. A lot of PCOS users were commenting and saying that like it has really helped, that they don't use like a razor on their face when they use the removal stuff, because they have hormonal growth, and this stuff makes it really easy to remove it without irritating the skin, and this stuff has made it grow back thinner and less, and like I think that's really cool. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try, show you guys how it works. You're supposed to let it sit for like it said about 9 minutes per round is what I read in the comments. On here it says wait 8 to 10 minutes or until hair curls. You do it in 2 rounds, and the second round is just to get any stragglers that it didn't get the first round. There's supposed to be like a potential smell, so we'll see how I feel about that. But from what I understand, that's just the active ingredient, so whatever. It's not like I can't wash off or whatever. I really want something that I can sit and hang out with my kids and do like a beauty routine in front of the TV. I'm not gonna shave in the living room in a little bucket or whatever. And I know it sounds ridiculous, but I really, really value my time with my kids. We like to watch a movie every night, and if I can just sit on the couch in my spot, put a towel down, spray this stuff on, and like do a little bit of self-care and family time, honestly, that would be a big deal for me. But anyway, oh, it says they're almost sold out. Holy crap. So the hair inhibitor spray, which is the stuff you put on afterwards to help thin and stop growth, is $18 by itself. The hair removal spray, the big bottle, is $23, and much bigger, like I said, than the stuff that they were selling before, 4 times as much. And then as a kit, you can buy them instead of 18 for just the inhibitor and 23 separately for, and those are their sale prices for right now. But the kit is $32, marked down from $46. Legs, arms, bikini, and private areas, underarms, face, chest, etc. Let's look at the ingredients. Our hair removal spray has proven to be effective 90% of the time, or works for 9 out of 10 people. It says they're vegan and they're cruelty-free. Using this spray can help you prevent razor bumps, cuts, razor burn, irritation, redness, ingrown hairs, which personally drive me insane, dry, itchy skin, and rough stubble. And with the inhibitor stuff, it should thin. Like, I have coarse underarm hair when it's shaved. I'm looking forward to it like thinning that out and it not being, you know what I'm talking about. Anyway, it's just beautenewyork.com. My cup my daughter got me. I'm gonna get my tools. I need, cloths, and I guess that's pretty much it. I guess I just need to go grab some cloths, and I'll be right back. My arm, you can see my pores better than the hair, but I'll hold it up to the light. Okay, I got the hair, and I want it gone. Okay. Next step is removal. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to my arm. I just did a close-up to show you I'm a furry guy. So like the directions say, I'm gonna spray this on, saturate the area, make sure it's able to get to the root. I wonder if I can make it focus. Nah, bruh. Alright, so I'm gonna spray it on, and then I'm gonna rub it in because it says to make sure to get it to the root, and I can't see any reason why that would be an issue. I want to make sure I have it everywhere, so. New bottle, sorry. Oh, there we go. Okay, so that seems like a good amount of, yeah, okay. So yeah, you really don't need a ton to go a good ways. So this bottle's gonna last a long time. That's great. Holy crap. Okay, so I actually feel like my arm is sufficiently saturated. And I'm going to set a timer. I will be back in, let's do 9 minutes like the directions said. Let's follow directions, shall we, people? Round 1. Let's go. Okay, so I just wanted to pop back in. I'm like 3 minutes into the timer. I still have like 6 minutes to go. I just wanted to say that like the smell is so underwhelming. Like the people who were complaining about it in the comments had me worried. It's really not. It's not a big deal at all. See you in a minute. Okay, so my timer just went off. It scared the living daylights out of me. I have not wiped yet. You can see the texture of the hair in there. I'm gonna wipe now. That was funky looking. Look, and then there's some like raised roly portions. I need to exfoliate. Okay, it looks pretty good. Like, let me show you in the light. Like, that's significantly smoother. Okay, so I turned the camera around. Oh my goodness, this is ridiculous. So you can see like the rolled up portions of what I guess is hair on different parts of my arm, but I just did a quick wipe. I didn't go above my elbow, so you can like clearly see the hair up here, and then like it's smooth. It looks really good down here where I applied it. I don't know that I need a second round, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it per the instructions, just for any stragglers, and then apply the inhibitor spray. So I'll be back to do that. All right. Round 2 spray. Let me kind of wipe my arm off. Oh, it's so smooth. Like I said, I really don't know that I need the second round, so like I might just go like a few minutes. It looked pretty good to me. I'm satisfied. And I got to sit in here and just watch Netflix while I was waiting. I am not mad at it at all. So, see you in 5 to 9 more minutes. Alright, second timer's gone off. Like I said, I don't think I really needed the second round. Ooh, my lamp is in the way. But I went ahead and put it on. There is a bit of a tingly feeling. It's not uncomfortable or anything. I just think I should mention it. So anyway, it's just... Okay. And for those of you who are noticing that it doesn't look like hair, I put a tinted moisturizer on earlier and it's underneath it all, but you can't argue with the difference between this area where I didn't apply it and this area where I did. I think it looks great. Like I'm happy with it. It wasn't painful. Like I don't have any irritation. All I did was sit here, watch stuff on Netflix, and take my hair off of my body. So overall, like, I'm happy with it. I need to still apply the inhibitor stuff and see. Let me just slouch a little. I still do need to apply the inhibitor spray, so let's just go ahead and do that. Oh well, this one goes even further, which is good because it's a smaller bottle. Oh my goodness. That one has a nice smell to it. I don't know, I don't mind that one. Maybe I'm just like nose blind to it, but either way, it's not a big deal. I could just go wash my hand or use a wipey or something, put on some lotion. It's really not aggressive at all. And my skin actually feels really good. I can't stop touching it. I don't know. I'm happy with it. You're supposed to be able to use it anywhere on the body. Just do a patch test first. I don't know. I guess that's it. I got a nice hairless arm, and I got to watch my shows while I did it, which is a huge plus for me. It is one of the #1 ways I get to spend a little time with my kids at the end of the school day and like work day and everything. We sit down, we watch a movie, we eat dinner. So this will be nice if I have to cram more stuff into a shorter time period. Anyway, if you like what you saw, like the video, subscribe if you don't mind. My name is Gray. I don't think I've said that once. My real name is Gray with an A, hence my name, Fitty Shades. Anyway, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. If you have any other questions about it, let me know. I guess in a few weeks I'll post like a just short little update video and let you know how the inhibitor is working. Because that's the second half of the product. So anyway, thank you for watching. Have a good one. I don't think I want to say have a good one. That's not me. Smell. That's more like me. Bye.